Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested Charms Pick a Card reading. What is coming next for you, friends? Yes, many of you requested this reading, and here it is now, friends. Make sure to subscribe. Magic Wins Tarot and click the bell icon so you never miss the reading, friends. Also, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website, friends, www.magicwednestarot.com. Also, friends, make sure to check out the 2022 pick a card readings and the horoscope readings. They are also done with the charms. The links are in the timestamps. All signs have been oh my god, all signs have been done already. Love also, love horoscopes for 2022 have already been done. I'll try to link them up in the here somewhere up on the video, and also the general horoscopes for the 2022 are already done, so check that out also. Again, I'll try to link it up somewhere up. And this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you watch it, it will help you out. And you can buy your own personal readings from where? From our website. You can buy your own personal readings. And if you have recently booked a reading, friends, please give me some time. Really, I'm working a lot. I'm working very hard. Also, I'm not feeling very great because of too much work, too much cold also. So yeah, I'm trying my best to cover up all your orders quickly as possible, as well as keep these readings on the YouTube coming also. So please please, thank you for supporting and loving us so much. All right. So, how are you all feeling, friends? How are you doing? Are you feeling the energy in the air, the intensity of energy? Are you feeling restless or are you feeling super relaxed? Either of these two you will be feeling. So let's hop right into it. What's gonna happen next for you? What's coming next for you? So let's take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number one. This beautiful take a step back. It's such a beautiful card. Look at the energies in this card. It's angelic, absolutely. Option number two, the divine timing card. Look at that. Such a beautiful card. Option number three, the spiritual growth card. So, what's coming next for you, friends? Option number one, option number two, option number three. I will leave the timestamps, friends, like always in the comment section. You can directly go there and choose your option. You can also choose more than one pile. You can also watch the entire reading. That's perfectly fine too. So let's begin with option number one. So if you chose option number one, let's see this take a step back. Wow, this is a very powerful card and it's telling you to take a step back or relax or, let things be for a while. Like maybe you are stressing out too much about some life situation or your future, or maybe you are a little worried or stressed out. So this card is telling you to relax, and that's the kind of week I feel for you. Like, don't fight, don't stress, just feel blessed. So that's a powerful message on this card itself. That's why I was guided to choose these cards, because it is going to be a massive week. So let's hop right into it, friends. I am ready and super excited. These are your these are your oracle and advice cards, and these are your tarot. We'll also be pulling the charms shortly after the cards. Let's see. So, what's happening currently? Alright, the Nine of Wands. You're definitely waiting for something, friends, and you are really fed up. You're just like, you have lost your patience, you have lost your mind. You are like, waiting, waiting, waiting. When is this gonna happen? It could be you're waiting for love, you're waiting for a relationship, or it could be you're just waiting for things to pick up in your life. You're tired of waiting. It's like, I have done my work. Look at this. The flowers are growing. Everything is fine. But where is my dream come true? Why is it taking so long? Like, you have certain wish or a dream. You are waiting for something and it's not yet happening. So you're frustrated right now. Also, you feel like you are getting old. I feel like I'm getting old just sitting there and waiting for things to work up. So what is going to happen? So I can feel your frustration, friends. I can feel your frustrations. Let me know in the comment section, are you feeling, because I do feel you're a little frustrated with this waiting, with all this hard work. Like, you guys keep slogging, but like you are not turning into millionaires or something. You are like, where is our reward? Okay, let's see what else will happen this week. So, first things first, Four of Pentacles. I do see that this is a good week for your money. What is coming next for you is money. I also feel that, if you have money worries right now, or career worries, or tensions regarding your career, your future, that is going to be eased or resolved in some way. You will find, if you're waiting for some sort of a news related to money or your career, that is going to come. That is going to come. I also feel in your career you want to travel, or like relocate, or like you want a job in some another city or country, and it's not happening for you right now, so you're a little frustrated. But I feel, friends, it will happen for you this week, or something will start to happen. Some signs will happen, some things will start to happen, and that will make you feel like, okay, maybe it's so not so bad to wait at all. Maybe it's a good thing that we are waiting. Like, I also feel this week you are planning to travel. You're really planning to travel. I see your bags packed. I also feel that you could be going on a holiday or something, or a wedding or something. Some travel is important. But I also feel you may have to extend your travel, or you may have to delay your travel plans a little bit. And you'll be like, what? Not again? But you will actually feel grateful for these delays which are going to happen, because you are like, so we get to stay more time, at the place you were visiting. So you are like, okay, now that's not bad. We got to stay, we get to stay a little longer in the hotel. We get to see more places. Some of you may also get a raise, some kind of an upgrade this week. Like, if you went for, like, if you, I don't know how to say this, some sort of a certain gift is coming for you, and it's kind of an unexpected gift for you, friends. Like, I see, like, you go out for coffee, and somebody, like the restaurant or the cafe, offers you an extra pie or something, like, extra pastry or something, and they say it's on the house, it's free, it's complimentary, and you're like, wow, that's so cool. Because this is a reward. It's kind of a reassurance for you from the universe, like, things are going okay, it's okay, it's okay, you're on the right path. The Emperor, yes, you're very, very strong when it comes to your career. You're also very focused about what you want this week and where you want to be in life. You have a very clear, you have a lot of clarity, friends. It's like you just know what you want and you want to achieve it. You don't want delays. I think some days, we feel confused within, but this is the week where you are sure what you want. And that is why it's frustrating, because outside things are a little slow around you. um, I do feel that at your work, you are waiting for a promotion or a praise or some sort of a new job letter. I do see it coming. Yes, there could be, but I don't see you, like, it's not, I don't know how to say it. The message is coming, but there might be a delay in it. I'll say that again, friends. There is a message or news coming that you are waiting for, but there might be a delay in it. Because, take a step back. Remember this card? So, yeah. I also feel like you are very strong willed this week. So anything you start to, you set your mind to, you're gonna achieve it. If you set your mind to, this is a good week to settle down goals. Like, if you wanna lose some weight, or if you wanna make jogging a routine, or planting a routine, making art, doing something, learning something. So this is a great week to start that, because your focus will be strong and your willpower is very high this week. So it is a good week to make some plans and stick by, make some routines and stick with it. I also feel bosses are very important for you this week. Like, your boss could be important, or if you your colleagues could be important, family, authorities are very important to you. The Devil, yes, you are very, very, I feel, friends, you are quite You're quite a workaholic this week. I feel you're really obsessing about your work, and I also feel you may have a lot of sweet tooth this week. Like, you feel like eating, binging on food. Like, let's eat everything, a lot of sweets, lot of things. Also, you're very passionate this week, friends. Mars is really favoring you, especially if you are a woman. You're glowing with passion. Even if you are a man, there is irresistible passion, desire, sexual, sexual chemistry, sexual energy flowing through you. And you may find it a little hard to handle this energy, friends. I don't know how to say this because you are very much as a leader this week, friends. You're very much in charge of everything, and you're feeling such energy flowing through you that you may actually become a little obsessed about your work, or obsessed about a lover, or obsessed about food, maybe, or dressing up, makeup. So there is a little bit of extra energy, but you have very sexual energy. The energy is very sexual around you. You are attracting, sexual. I don't know how to say this. You're oozing with sexual attractiveness. So people are literally drawn to you. People may even compliment you, like, hey, very beautiful. You're looking very beautiful. So, yeah. Let's see what else. Oh wow, Nine of Cups. So it could be your birthday this week. Happy birthday, Sagittarius. So it could be your birthdays, or you could be celebrating a birthday or a party at your office or in your home. There is happiness, there is celebration. I also see you could be going to some weddings and you're having fun there. You're just enjoying. You could be going out on a trip with friends and or with family, with your cousins or all that, and you're having fun. You want to have fun this week. It's your week. Like, I want to work, but I will party harder. So that gives the vibe for you this week. Like, you want to work hard, but you want to party even harder. So I would say that, like, just be a little easy on yourself. Don't just go, if you go dancing or disc or anywhere, clubbing, you will dance so much your legs will ache, and tomorrow and the next day would be very tough for you. So relax, take a chill pill this week. Your energies are really, really high, and you may not even realize it. Yeah. The Knight of Cups, I do see some positive messages are coming your way, messages of love. Some old friends might reconnect with you, or a new lover is coming to you, a crush. Somebody may compliment you, someone exciting or interesting you will find online on social media. So, you. And I also feel this is your week to flirt. So if you like somebody, you'll be like, hey, Chicky Picky, I like you. You are like very flirty this week. So that's a good energy. You might also send compliments to people, or you might initiate the conversations first. And that's a good thing because you are taking charge. You know what you want. So, yes, well done. And you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Three of Swords, and in your love life, somebody is hurt, somebody is missing you, somebody is crying for you. The Three of Swords. Holy moly. There is somebody, friends, from the past who is thinking about you. This person may have hurted you. This person may have even left you. They may have put you in third parties, or your love life or relationship is stuck with third parties. I do feel there is a person who is thinking about you, or you could be thinking about a past person, but you know, I feel like the past is not the right thing for you right now. You need to take a step back from any past issues, fights, troubles, issues. Your love life is, affected by the past issues. You need to take a step back and not focus on the past, because this week is about you and not the other person. So focus on yourself, your future, your what you need, what you like. Also, 10 of Cups, yes, marriage is very important. Some of you could be going to a wedding and you will actually cry because you want to get married, or you are seeing some social media pictures of friends and relatives getting married, and you are like, when are we going to be hitched? When is our amazing day coming? It will happen, friends, it will happen, don't worry. I also feel this week family is very important to you. You will feel more close to family, friends, and people rather than with lovers. You will feel a little bit of, like, especially with an ex, you will not feel great energy from them. Also, you may meet an ex at a party, like if there is a friend's birthday party or a common party at work, you may bump into your ex and it will spoil your mood. So please be careful. Oh my god, the tower. So wasn't the week enough for you? That it wasn't sexy and exciting that you got the tower also. Oh my god. So some sort of unexpected thing will happen this week. You are not planning for it, it's not in your mind, but it will happen, and we'll see what this tower is about. I also feel some of you may actually have a fight with your family about marriage or settling down. Like some of your family is like, hey, settle down, get married. Or you may have a fight with a partner or somebody, or like some sort of a conversation like, hi, hey, I want to settle down. Can you commit? And they are like, no, I don't know. So you may have a like, okay, fine, let's not talk about it. Some sort of a difference of opinion. What is this tower about? Four of Cups. Yeah, someone is really missing you and they might message you and you will get in, you might have, you may not feel very, whatever, I don't know, this conversation may not go friendly. Six of Cups, yes, a soulmate is coming for you. I also feel if you're really, really single, there is a new soulmate that's going to bump into your life all of a sudden when you are least planning for it and least expecting. So you can expect a new lover this week or a new friend just dropping, a stranger dropping into your life. Also, I do see somebody is trying to message you and you may meet this person out of the blue and you will not like it. I don't know why, but you don't like it. Wheel of Fortune, yes. I do feel divine timing is at work in this situation. This situation is not right or wrong, but this situation has the scope for change in future. So, be relaxed. Don't be too angry. Anger sometimes can cause permanent damage. That you must remember, friends. So, don't be so angry that it cannot be fixed in the future. This situation may not be workable right now with a lover, with an ex-husband or wife, or with a family member, but there is potential for change, positive change in the future. So, try and take a step back. Try and take a step back. Now, this makes sense, right? Let's see your other messages. Sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron. Yes, I do feel that your intuition is very sharp. You will have a lot of stamina, a lot of willpower to learn something new. A lot of divine messages will also come your way. And look at that, number 33, door to romance. So love is coming your way, friends. A lot of love is coming. You will also feel a lot of sexual chemistry, and maybe somebody is trying to message you from the past or somebody new is coming. I also feel you might propose your crush or somebody like, hey, hello, sweetie. We'll see from the charms who is this person. Financial constraints, number 13. Yeah, I do feel some of you are worried about money. I told you in the start also, right? Some of you are definitely worried, but your money situation will fix, so don't worry. It will fix, it will heal. Let's see your other card. Princess, you can be your own knight. So, my God, friends, fall in love with yourself and remember you are the prince and the princess of your life. You are the hero and the heroine of your life, and you don't need a knight. For some of you, you may actually enjoy your singlehood. You may actually, even if you are married, you may just want to go on a solo trip or with friends or just take a break and, party hard because you want to enjoy your own energy. You're brimming with energy, friends. I don't know how to say. Have you seen a firework? You are like a firework which is full of and ready to explode with love and joy. So great energy. Let's see your advice. Guardian angels, so definitely your angels and your spirit family is watching over you, taking care of you, and definitely bringing you what you want or what you're waiting for. So, nothing to worry about, friends. You are on the right path. And let's see your charms. And I put in so much effort, but nobody watches the readings. I don't know what's happening with the YouTube algorithm. Some people say they don't get the notifications. I don't know, really. I don't know what's going on, friends, but please support, share, like, because it really motivates me. If you are not getting the views, if you are not getting it, it really affects our work, friends. I don't like saying this, but that's the truth, friends. That's really the truth. Only when you watch it, others can watch it. That's how it is. Option number one. What's coming up for option one? Option number one. Okay, lots of charms came out for you. And friends, we are working from such a long time. Sometimes I really feel bad, like we are not, I don't know, I don't understand the algorithm and everything. I don't even know what's going on. I try not to bother about it. Because some things are not even, these things are not even worth discussing. I don't know what to say. I feel just like you, waiting for waiting when will YouTube resolve its issues? When will they start giving the notifications to everybody? I don't know. I really don't know. And if you are supporting us already, thank you so much, friends. It means the world to us. So, T. So, somebody's name could be Tia, T, Ria. Toe, yeah, I see the word toe here. Yeah, so be careful with your toe, friends. You might bump your toe or something this week. Be careful with that, because we do have the tower and we do have a shoe here. So some of you may actually bump, you may have a, I don't want to say the word, you may, you may bump your leg or something. So please be careful. What else? T, yeah, some of you could be dealing with a person whose name is T. OTEE. Let's see the initials. The numbers are number 25 and number 12. Those could be important. The white bead. Focus on peace, friends. Focus on finding the peace, especially in conversations. Try not to fight, because you are in a very strong energy and it will just double up quickly. So take a step back. Bicycle, yes, friends. Physical workouts will be great for you. Going out, spending weeks walking, jogging, going out, walking, cycling, they'll be fun. Gymming, dancing, working out, and, balancing this extra energy will be great for you. The crown, yes, I do feel, look at this. You guys are destined for some sort of a success, and it is coming. Some victory is coming. Some sort of a award is coming. And you are the prince and the princess. You are definitely the crowned person, and I feel like this could be a promotion, this could be a compliment, this could also be, you can be your own princess or the prince. Healing, yes, friends, your heart is healing. I feel some of you are not even ready to fall in love or marry anybody, because you had been through toxic relationships and you want some time to heal and just love yourself and be, this person, amazing person you are. And that's okay. That's perfectly fine. This is your week to do that, to shine. And the party shoe, yes, some of you could be going out partying, some of you could be buying new shoes. I would suggest you to buy something comfortable. Because it can hurt your feet. Yeah, be careful, friends. Be careful with your elbows and your toes, okay? The umbrella, yes. I feel protection is coming for you, like love. Somebody loves you. Door to romance. Some sort of a love message is coming. Pink hat, yes, you're feeling very romantic. You're also feeling this week very seductive. Tree of life, family is very important to you. The moon bead, yeah, your emotions are a little high, friends, this week. So be careful, The red house, yes, some property issues might also be important this week. Diamond, yes, friends, you are the diamond of your life. And look at that, crush energy. So someone is definitely crushing over you, or you may get a compliment and you will feel like, wow. Iron, yes, you are trying to fix your life, friends. You are trying to fix. This is the unnecessary, like patience. Be patient. Moon, yes, emotions are high, so be careful. Queen of coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Five of Years, yes, someone from the past is missing you, friends. Someone who has ghosted you, or someone who is in no contact, or someone who is having a complicated relationship with you. They are definitely missing you. Three of Coins, and they want to come back and cooperate things with you or start things again. Yellow, yeah, feeling very positive. You're feeling very positive. Art, yes, some of you are definitely focusing on art, creativity, new learning. Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person, past life. Yes, some of the things, some relationship issues you are going through is a past life issue. And I think you will be getting your reward for it, your karma for it, your good reward, your crown for it. So don't worry. It's a great week for you, pile number one. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C Singh. Bye bye. So friends, if you chose option number two, let us see what is coming next for you, friends. If you chose this beautiful card, the divine timing. Wow, I feel this is a very, very divine timing kind of a week for you. This is also, things are working out for you. Things are falling in place for you. Things are manifesting for you. So yes, that's great. Let's see, these are your oracle and advice. We're gonna look at them shortly, and these are your tarot cards. Let's see. All right. So what's happening right now? Ten of Wands. Yeah, definitely, friends. Some of you are asking for this question right now, like, when is your time coming? When you will find relief from the burdens? When will your challenges or questions you are asking will be resolved? Will be answered? You're definitely, I think last time also we had a similar energy with pile number two last week. You are handling a lot of pressure, friends. You are still going through a lot of burdens. There are a lot of duties upon you, and you don't like it. In fact, the load is too much for one person. So definitely you're right. When will this load be eased? When will things get better for you? I feel it will happen, friends, because divine timing, things are definitely working out for you. I feel from last 10 years, 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, maybe 1 year, you're waiting. You're working very hard. But you have not got your success, the things you wanted, the things that should have happened for you by now. You will achieve them, friends. You will achieve them. Let's see what else. Ace of Cups. So first thing I'm feeling is, friends, this week some sort of a relief is coming to you. Relief from all these tensions, relief from all these burdens. I also feel this week you will find a ray of hope, and that is something you really, really need, because you are tired and you don't even realize it. Some of you are like really carrying a lot of baggage on yourself, mentally, emotionally, as well as physically. And you need a break, friends. You need to take a chill pill. You need to relax. And I feel you will find that time this week to relax, to spend some time just chilling, doing things you love. Also, some sort of a ray of sunshine is coming for you. Some sort of hope is coming for you. I also feel some sort of a new start or a relief is coming for you in some way. Like, something will happen that will ease your load, give you some time offs, give you some, like your work schedule was crazy. You were handling everything, you were running, you were stressed out, you were having children also, and you are like, oh my God, I'll go crazy. No, this is the week peace comes in. And you can relax, take a sigh of relief, like, and relax. It's a good week, friends. It's a good week for you. Let's see. Two of Wands. Yes, I do feel there is a lot of balance coming back into your life this week. Balance between your home life as well as your work and career. I feel some of you were feeling very, you were running between your home and work, like you were feeling very, like which to manage, how to manage everything. You were having a tough time managing everything. But now, this week, everything will be smoother for you. Everything will be more balanced out. You will have more time to do everything, like your work, your career, your hobbies, your home life, your relationships. There is a certain sense of balance in your life this week, and you will like it. Like, yes, your burdens are less, your work commitments are less, and everyone is behaving responsibly at work. So you will enjoy that. I also feel like some sort of a news from another city or country is coming for you. Maybe you want to relocate or something, or you are waiting for some sort of a news regarding a job or an exam. I think you're doing good. You will get good news in your exams, especially if you're giving any exams, they will go well. You have worked hard, you have literally slogged yourself, you have worked all night, all days for months, and your results will be good. I also feel some of you could be actually making some long distance calls. I don't know why I see you talking or calling a person in the long distance, some other city or country. I see you on the phone talking to somebody, asking for some sort of question, asking some questions. When, how, all these questions. I also feel some of you are pretty relaxed this week. You're not stressed out, you're not feeling too hyper. This is a relaxed kind of a week and stable week, and that's great relief because finally, you can relax, have fun. And the chariot. Yes, I do feel, this week things which were stuck, they will start moving in your life. Things which were not moving earlier, like if you were not getting money, you will start getting money again in your life. I also feel this chariot is about burdens will be removed from your life, and patience, ease, support is coming in your life. I also feel some of you could be struggling with a job which is very hectic. You will find some relief. You will find maybe a holiday to enjoy yourself, or maybe your boss is out on a holiday and like you can, oh, I can relax now, I can take a chill pill. So that can happen. Like your boss is traveling, so you can relax and you can enjoy some free time. I also feel like some of you, your car was giving a lot of trouble. I don't know, you were having trouble with an automobile, a car, a scooter, bike, or something. You will find relief from that also. Some of you may actually buy a car or something like that, buy an automobile. I think some of you were also struggling with some mobile phones, like your phone was hanging up a lot. Maybe it will start working out again, or you might buy something new this week. So that is also there. I also see spending some time in the sun will be very helpful for you, friends, this week because it will make you feel very excited and happy and positive. I feel it is a good week to stay outside or, just catch some 20 minutes of sunshine. That can, be your vitamin D. And look at that, the Page of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yes, I do feel, this week there is one issue that may affect you. And that is what to do with your future. You have questions. Some of you want to invest your money, some of you are confused how you will achieve your money. Some of you also want some sort of like which jobs to apply, which can have more pay from. You have a lot of questions about money and your career and your future. I also feel some young people are very important to you, especially at work or your cousins. You could be dealing in love also with a younger person, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Love is definitely coming from your work, I feel, mostly this week. Like, at work, you're finding a lot of love. A lot of people are interested in you. I also see a lot of people will help you out with your household work or in your career. A lot of people are like, hey, let me do this for you. It's all right. Page of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Yeah, I also feel, friends, this week, you will find a lot of communication, sweet, talk with friends. This is a very people oriented week also for you. Like you can just sit and talk, like maybe you go for, those kitty parties with friends, like after a long, long time, you can finally go and like have a meeting with your friends, with your colleagues, and like, whew, what work. Finally. So you're relaxing, you're taking a chill pill. I also feel like this week you could be starting something new, but you are taking easy on yourself. Like, you could be starting learning to drive, learning to exercise, learning to gym, learning to dance, but you are like, okay, I'll go slow. You're not in a rush. You're not like, I want to learn everything today. No, you're like one day at a time. Five of Wands. Yes, I do feel in love. You may feel like your partner may think a little differently than you. because of the a lot of squares are happening astrologically this week. So you and your partner may feel a little different about things, like like especially about time pass, like how do I say, what is time pass, like like you are sitting down watching a movie, they want to watch horror, or you want to have, like, you want to go to a Chinese restaurant and they want to eat some Italian, so you are like, what? So that kind of a confusion may happen. I'm also feeling some of you are dealing with two people in love and you're literally very confused what to do, because both of them, sometimes you feel both are right, sometimes you feel none of them is right. So definitely you're feeling a lot of this energy, of conflict, especially in love. You could be dealing with two people in love and there is a little bit of confusion between who is the right one for you. But I think divine timing is at work, so things will reveal to you. So don't worry. The Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Again, this is a very people oriented month, week for you. I think it's a people oriented month. In fact, you could be having guests at home. Some of you could be meeting your grandparents, or they could be coming over to you. So, yes, Queen of Cups, yes, I do feel like, people really love you this week and they want to support you, friends. And you should not say no to this support, because this is your destined gift. This is a gift for you. This is something you really deserve, friends, and you should say yes to all the love and support that's coming your way. I also feel this week you could be definitely getting rewarded in some way, crowned in some way, getting some achievements which will make you feel very happy. So yes, achievements are high this week. I also feel emotionally in love. This is an emotional week for you, friends. A lot of people are affecting your love life. Also, a lot of friends, family, relatives, colleagues, you have options in love, so don't worry. Also, your mother could also be affecting your love life, or someone else's mother is affecting your love life. The Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important to you. I do feel by the time you even decide, you will be at the end of this week and you are like, oh, where did time fly? This will be a very quick week for you, because it's so relaxed and you are like, oh wow, this is like I have 7 days to relax, but my god, they will go quickly. So enjoy, relax, and don't forget to accept the help that's coming your way. I also feel someone new or something exciting is going to happen this week. Some sort of excitement, some sort of like someone is going to jump into your life, some opportunity, some person, and this is because of divine timing. This was supposed to come earlier to you, but now it is coming this week or after this week because of divine timing. Fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel. So yeah, I do feel that communications are very important for you. Mercury is very important for you, friends, the planet of communication. A lot of people are important. A lot of people will talk with you. You will also talk with them. How you say, what they say, everything is very important. Also, someone is coming with important message for you. Ooh, man holding a heart. So I do feel someone will message you. It could be a neighbor, it could be a lover, it could be someone you are waiting for. Someone will message you, they love you, they can't live without you. And look at that, second chakra, Archangel Ariel. So yes, friends, you are the lion or the lionesses, and angels are trying to tell you that you're strong, but you don't need to be so strong that you do everything alone. Don't try to overburden yourself this week. It's not worth it. This is your week to enjoy. This is your week to let your hair down and like go to a spa and enjoy. So do that, friends. You deserve it. You had been through a lot. Please give yourself this loving care. What else? Nostalgia. Focus on the here and now. Yeah, I do feel you are missing somebody from the past, some friends, some past lovers, some twin flame you are missing, your soulmate you are missing. But this week you should focus on the present moment rather than on the past or the future, because in the present is your gift. Let's see your advice. And your advice is compassion. Compassion. So be kind to yourself, friends, and be kind to others. I think you're always kind to others. This is the time you keep yourself the priority and be kind to yourself and keep your hands open and say yes to the support that's coming for you. Because I feel you like to do things the tough way. Don't do it. Do not this week's. Do it the easy way. It's like you want to do everything by yourself, but you don't need to. Option number two, what's coming for them? Option number two. Alright, let's see. Let me see. Let me just, that's a strand of hair. Let me just separate the charms so we can read them more quickly. And overlook my cold, friends. Yeah, you can't help it, where I live there is a lot of extreme weather, always like that, never like pleasant. It's always extreme, too hot, too cold. Lion, this reminds me of lion. So you could be dealing with a person whose name is Lon, lion or something like that. They could be pet name, could be lion, tiger or something. And there are no numbers. Yeah, there are no numbers for you, but let's see. The winged heart, you are very gifted, friends. You are very protected, so worry not. Also, if you are single, you have other options coming, so and they are heaven sent, so say yes. And look at this, the flame, rose. Yes, friends, love is coming for you. There is divine time at work in your life. Love will come, or manifesting. Love is manifesting in your life. Iron, take a break from work, friends. Take a break. This is definitely the week you should relax and not do a lot of work. Pearl, you are very precious, friends. You are very, very precious. And the wedding ring, yes, some of you could be getting married. You could actually meet someone who is the right person for you. Someone may propose, or wedding proposal is coming. Key, yes, the universe will give you the signs that you need, the message, the key that you need. Trumpet, yes, messages are coming. I also feel someone needs to tell you something, or you need to tell them something. Like you need a closure or something with somebody, but it's okay, it will happen. Bottled feelings, yeah, I'm getting two messages from this. Someone has not told you how they feel. And another thing is, there is a celebration coming. So I see two things. Someone wants to share something, a secret with you, and a celebration coming. And this is the red heart, so red house. So yeah, passion, house is very important. The green boot, money is coming your way. This is the bead of, this is the bead for actually money, like, like some sort of a gift, monetary reward coming your way. Angel wing, again, protection. Wedding announcements are coming, news coming in. November is important. Yes, somebody born in November. You could be born in November too. Family, yes, family is very important. You could be having a little fight or argument with family about marriage, like, hey, settle down, or not this person with that person, but it's okay, peace is coming. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Somebody living in USA is important. Water, yes, drink a lot of water this week. Take care of yourself. Mars, yes, Mars is important. Mars is about passion, aggression. So yeah, take it easy, friends. Relax, enjoy. Six of Wands. Success is coming, progress is coming, and especially at work. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is also important, and go your own way. I feel, friends, this is not a week when you should wait for somebody, but this is a week when you should focus on yourself and make the right decisions. Make the correct, rational decisions, okay? So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye-bye. Hi, beautiful angels. If you chose option number 3, let us see what's coming next for you. Charms reading, yes, friends. Spiritual growth. So this is a powerful week for you. Some sort of a spiritual awakening or some sort of a spiritual growth is happening for you. I feel this is, this is a very intuitive week because you can see the crown chakra, the third eye chakra also activated here, and your heart chakra. So I do feel this is a very intuitive, very telepathic week for you. We'll see more. These are your oracle and advice, and this is your tarot, and we're gonna see the charms shortly after the reading. Let's see. Pile number 3, what's happening for you? Let's see. All right, friends, right now you're definitely looking at your future. You are trying to make some long-term plans. You're trying to understand what is going to happen in your future. I think you have certain questions about your future. You may also not be feeling very confident about your future right now. It feels like, some of you are a little confused. You want to know everything that will happen in your future. No wonder you have the intuition here. Because right now you want to know things, you want to do things which make your future secure emotionally, financially. You want security, you want your future to be great, and you are excited, you are curious, you want to know everything about your future right now. Like, if will my career work out, will I have this, will I have that, will how my future will be. I also feel you're right now very excited about the next year, or you're wondering about the next year that's coming ahead, like what will this year be, what will happen, and all those kind of things. You have a lot of questions on your mind, definitely. And you're like this, what will happen. Yeah, that's nice. Let's see what else. Two of Swords. Yeah, I do feel some of you are also feeling a little stuck, like you want to move ahead, but you don't know how to move ahead. It is also like you are stuck, like which is the right decision for your future, or which is the right choice you need to make right now. If you are confused, I feel it is because you don't have all the options right now. That is why you are not able to make a decision. So, more choices will be available to you in the future or this week. So you will be able to make these decisions which you are need to make. I also feel you're feeling a little confused how things will be in your future, or how your next year will be. You are like, yeah, it will be. I feel you have two feelings right now. A part of you is like, yeah, everything will be fine, I'm excited. And then another part of you is like, no, things may not go well. What will happen? I want to know all the answers. So you're a little excited as well as a little curious. That's the word. So, Four of Wands. This week brings you clarity. This week brings you relief from overthinking. I feel some of you are literally overthinking a lot. You are thinking a lot. You are, checking out a lot of readings, maybe pick a card readings, or binge watching something, thinking something again and again. So, you will find relief from overthinking this week. You will find mental peace, emotional peace this week. You will also feel like, yes, you can rest your questions for now and focus on other things in life. Like something has been bothering you, some situation, some problems, but this week you can put it to rest and focus on other things, other areas in your life. So that's a good thing. I also feel some of you may actually take some time off to meditate this week, listen to some music, watch your favorite movies, because I see like some of you need this extra time, need this time of rest, peace, especially at your from your work and from your worries. You need some break from your tensions. Three of Cups. Yes, I do see celebrations coming your way. So definitely some of you could be celebrating your birthdays. Some of you could also be celebrating some work party or something, farewells, freshers, or some of you could also be celebrating some victory, some sort of a victory. It could be your mother's birthday, your friend's birthday, anniversary at home. So there is a party mood, party vibe in your week. The energy of focusing on enjoying your life rather than worrying about it. I also feel you will smile a lot this week. You will feel happy, you will smile a lot. At least you should, because that's how the energy is. And you could be celebrating some sort of a success this week also. Ace of Wands, yes, there is a lot of excitement in your life. uh, there is a I feel like, yes, something will happen that will bring your excitement to high. Something like, will you are looking for some exciting things to happen, and you will get excited, like maybe an invitation to a wedding is coming, or a friend is coming to meet you, or you are starting something new, like a new course, a new job. Some of you could be starting your own businesses, your own channels, YouTube channels, Instagram channels, and you are like, wow, I'm super excited. Yes, you will still have questions, doubts, whether to do this or not, but I think you can put the doubts to rest and just begin from where you are. It will bring you a lot of peace. Starting and taking action will bring you peace this week rather than thinking about things. So take action and think less. And I also feel that for some of you, there is a passionate relationship also coming, like a friend with a friend, like a friend or a colleague likes you, and they might tell you this week about it. I see like other options which you are not expecting are coming for you in your love life, so that's exciting. The Fool, yes, I do see there you are definitely planning for your future, friends. You are obsessed about your future, the year ahead. You want big things from your life, and it will happen. You don't need to worry. Whatever you want, it will happen. Some of you want to relocate, or you want to be like, very rich. You want to have your own financial independence, or you want to go on your honeymoons. Yes, it will all happen. I also feel some of you may have actually relocated recently, shifted, moved into a new house, but this will be the week when you finally feel like, aha, I'm enjoying, so yeah, this is that week where you are like, break from all this worry, tension, stress, and peace. All right, some of you could also be getting some new pets, or finding some, like you're walking and you find some pet, some puppy, some cat, and you will be very attracted, and you will bring that cat or a puppy or an animal to your house as a pet because you will feel very attracted to it. So that energy is also there. King of Cups, yes, this is a very emotionally happy week for you. So focus on your emotions rather than your mind, friends. The more you focus on your emotions, the better this week will be. I also feel a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. For some of you, your boss, your father figure, your father, your brothers are very important for you this week. They will also be very kind and generous with you. Someone will be very generous with you, like giving you some gifts, some parties, some extra like woohoo dresses, and you are like woo. So yeah, I do feel someone really likes you, and they might compliment you, or they might share that news with you, and you will be like ooh. The World, yes, I do feel this is this week, you are ready to move out of your comfort zone, but I think you are looking, I don't know how to say. For some of you, a long distance person is important. A person from another city or country is important. You could also be dealing with some job or career which is overseas. What I feel is like you want change. You want change very much, and drastically you want to change things in your life. But you can wait. This is the week to enjoy, relax, let your hair down, and just relax and party, because this is the end of, we are in the last month of the year. So try and make the most of it rather than getting worried what will happen in the next year, where will things be. Try and follow your heart. That will really help you. I also feel some of you could be light workers. Some of you will start becoming, or some of you could are on the path of spirituality. Maybe you will start working as a yogic healer, pranic healer, Reiki healer, with crystals, with Mother Earth, as psychic intuitives in the future. And this is your starting time. This week you start. But it is okay if you want to relax this week, that's perfect, because that will exactly what you need to do. Relax, enjoy, and then put your plans into action in the next week. The Hierophant, yeah, you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I do feel authority is very supportive to you. Some of you are also questioning big things in life, What is marriage? What is your destiny? What is your life purpose? What is religion? What is culture? Some of you could also be into same sex relationships, or you are young, so you are questioning your genders. What is it? What, your gender preferences. It's all right. You can leave your worries behind and follow your heart. Your heart is your way forward. That is the mantra for you this week. The Hierophant. I feel you have a very protective guide watching over you this week. It could be a family member in the spirit, it could be an angel, it could be somebody is really a guardian angel watching over you, protecting you. I also feel some of you will have good news regarding property, agreements, legal issues. Good news there. The Judgment. Wow, you are definitely feeling very challenged right now, friends. You feel like the life, your destiny is against you, that doesn't want to give you anything. You're definitely a little confused, whether life is punishing you or rewarding you. I think this week will help you to understand that life is a spiritual journey. Life is a spiritual journey. And it's not about punishments or, rewards. It's about learning. It's about growing. It's about being a flower. I also feel some of you could be dealing with, third parties. Some of you could be dealing with difficulties in your relationships. But I think you should not focus on it and rather focus on something that makes you happy, friends. It will really help you to feel excited. Let me just see what this Judgment is about. If focus on the good things this week. Oh. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Yeah, I feel there is a cold war or some tough situation going on in your love life. Some of you could be in legal issues. Some of you could be in marriages which are, you don't understand what's going on. Some of you could also be feeling resistant towards love. See things spiritually. See the higher purpose. Eight of Swords. Yes, you are feeling a little stuck, running out of options. The main thing is, friends, look, these are the two cards. You have to listen to your intuition, follow your heart. And if you cannot hear it right now, it's all right, because you will once you relax. Judgment, Justice. Oh my God, friends, this is a very Libra kind of a week for you. Some Libra might be important for you. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Also, justice is in your favor, friends. Justice will happen big time for you. This is again a reminder for you, a sign that yes, your rewards will be coming to you. You will not be denied success. Also, you are very powerful this week. So if you are manifesting something, you will attract it instantly. Justice is also instant manifestation. Fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael. Yes, the angel, the master healer is here. So definitely, if you have health issues, you will recover from them. More chances of this week. You may also be taking care of your health, putting your health first, or your family's health first, because that's very necessary. Archangel Raphael is here. You can call upon him to help you. Door to personal healing and happiness, number 34. So yes, the door to love and healing is opening for you, so don't worry. Adjacent possibilities. Yes, I feel you have other options. If you feel like none of the options you have in life are perfect, or this is not something your heart wants, it's okay, because you will have other options coming for you which you cannot see right now. Clover, release your guilt. Yes, friends, do not be guilty. Like if you don't love this person, or if you leave them behind, or if you don't do this, what will happen? Maybe you are a mother or a woman who doesn't want to take care. You sometimes we as women feel so guilty, when we are not taking care of everybody around us. It's like, I don't know why even if nobody tells us to take care or look after everybody, we kind of do it even on our own subconsciously. So it's okay, friends. It's okay to take some time for yourself. Put your health first, put your family first. Or it's okay to take some space from a toxic relationship, or just have a peace of mind for a while. Just be on yourself. If you want that, yes, do not be guilty. Whatever makes you happy, right? Let's see your advice. Take charge and action. So yes, this is a time to act and take charge. I think this is a time to plan and then take charge. in the next week you take action, right? What will it be? What will happen? All right, let's see. There is revolution. Wow, some revolutionary person is important to you, I feel. Let's see. Veer, it could be a Veer, that's the name of the person. VER, that's the person's initials, which are important. Then again, there are no numbers. Yeah, no numbers. Let's see. Car, yeah, for some of you, you could be, somebody owning a big car is important. Or some of you could be planning to buy a car. You want, like, in a future, you will buy something, electric vehicle or something. Yes, again, yellow, please stay positive. Think positive thoughts. This is also about healing. The bow, take care of yourself. I also feel some of you are really stressed about getting pregnant or having a baby. You want it desperately, but it's not happening or it's making you stressed out. It's okay. Take care of yourself like a baby, and everything will sort out. Also, put your health first. Umbrella, love, romantic love is coming, protection is coming. Someone wants to protect you. The love letter, yes, I do feel, someone loves you. And some important messages of love or money are coming. Attachment, yeah, I would suggest you, friends, to be careful in what you attach to this week because that will affect your health and mental, emotional health. Butterfly, say yes to change. Heart, take care of your heart. You are loved, you are adored. The small butterfly, yes, you are ready to grow. There is a spiritual growth happening for you from little to big. The key, yes, I do feel some of you are going to find the solutions you are looking for. The rewards are coming, justice will happen. Unicorn, yes, friends, you are very special. Listen to your intuition. The locked heart, yes, friends, I do feel some of you want the love of a person. You are really, really, there is something that's up from the past or currently that's, something is going in your love life that's really on your mind, bothering you. It could be someone who works in the Navy, who's a merchant Navy probably, or someone who lives around water. Someone long distance is important. I feel someone likes you, but they are not telling you. But it's okay. In the future, things will clear up. There will be a spiritual growth. Mother, yes, mother is important. Eight of Cups, yes, feeling hurt, moving on. Cat, loving yourself, putting yourself first. King of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Style, yes, friends, it's time to work on your style and give yourself a, new haircut or something. You will really enjoy it. And that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C Singh.